Your gut controls 80% of your immune system. Yeah, most people are destroying it daily. But these 10 foods are going to fix your gut and heal your body so it can reverse years of damage and naturally end all the pain, overcome fatigue, and heal chronic disease within weeks.
Today, we're revealing the top 10 foods to fix your gut and heal your body through natural healing via diet, detox, and lifestyle protocols that take the pain away, overcome fatigue, and heal chronic diseases.
Now, there are millions of people who suffer from brain fog, joint pain, and just exhaustion without realizing their gut is the real root cause of the issue.
The desperation of trying everything while your body continues to break down is soul crushing.
It really, truly is, because you're trying to figure out what's going on. And next thing you do, you want to go seek answers. And so you may go to like a functional doctor and may run tests and they'll give you some supplements. Talk to a nutritionist and they put you on a restrictive diet. And all those things don't get to the root cause, and it seems to only mask the symptoms. Temporarily, I should say.
Temporarily, right? Creates a dependency if you think about it, right? Here, buy my product. Keep coming back. You need this. Right?
False sense of hope, so you keep on using it over and over and over.
Yeah, because they have to make money somehow.
And the thing is that everybody wants to study, yet when it comes to like natural whole foods, people want to ignore all the research and all the evidence that's out there. And when you look into it, to the compounds that these foods contain, they are meant for your body. They have all the nutrients you need, and they actively rebuild your gut. They fix your gut to restore the beneficial bacteria all naturally.
Can't be that simple.
Can't be that simple, but it is. It is. And so you got the medical system causing them problems, but then you also have the big food. But they talk about how great the processed foods are and how they add nutrients for everything, and they just take stuff out.
Yeah, they probably the ones who are creating all the confusion out there, right? They are making sure that you don't know the information, you don't get to the truth, because it can't be that simple. You need a pill for every ill, basically.
Pill for every ill is so true.
Yeah.
But when you take the pill for every ill and you eat the processed foods, what happens is the inflammation
Continues.
persists.
Yeah, you're stuck in that loop and you can't get out.
Yeah.
Get off of that hamster wheel or that loop that you're in.
There's flare-ups.
There will always be flare-ups, and you will always continue to have pain. And the solution to that, in their eyes, is more medication.
Yeah, so you got to get on top of it right now, because if this stays long-term, if it's chronic, all this does is increase the damage. When damage increases, the risk of serious chronic disease skyrockets.
Your body's screaming for help.
It is. It's a warning sign. If you're like me, you want to just have a life where you live longer and live better than before. You don't want to like endure life. You want to thrive in life.
Yes, yeah.
So here's what we're going to do today. I mean, your gut, like I said, it's so incredible. It can regenerate really quickly. And we're going to go over 10 specific foods that can trigger healing in as little as 3 days.
That's right, people. 3 days.
Very, very simple. So let's jump right into it. Here are the 10 foods to fix your gut and heal your body.
So the first one is, you'll be surprised, chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. And everybody's heard of that, right? And they're a prebiotic powerhouse that feeds your beneficial bacteria in your gut. And it strengthens the gut lining, and it promotes a healthy bacteria growth throughout your digestive tract.
Chickpeas are awesome. I love the homemade hummus you can make, and I love how you can roast them in the air fryer, is it? On top of salads, almost like croutons.
Almost like croutons. In place of croutons, that's what we do.
Yeah, veggie burgers. They're so versatile and they're so good.
Yes, we put it in everything, in veggie burgers and in salads. Our daughter just loves to snack on them when roasted, plain.
Yeah.
And number 2 is beans. They provide a feast for bacteria for your gut to feed on, right? So it reinforces the gut bacteria function and reduces inflammation, and exponentially increase your protective bacteria in your gut.
Beans, we have them at least twice a week, from black beans to the pinto refried mashed beans and wraps. And we just buy them in bulk from this place called Webster on the web for 25, 50-pound bags. That way we always have them because they're just that good.
Yeah, good. And if you think, oh, I cannot eat too much beans, or it gives you gas, it's because your gut is not populated well enough. So what you do is you start with a little, and each week or each month you increase a little but you can tolerate it.
That's great.
And number 3 is mushrooms. They contain beta-glucan, which basically is the fibers that selectively feed the beneficial bacteria while activating immune cells to eliminate pathogens and toxins from your body.
No, that's just another reason why I love mushrooms, because mushrooms are so good already. It adds a lot of texture.
Yes.
They're, again, flexible.
Yes.
They're so good, but I didn't realize that they can help remove the toxins.
Yes, they can help remove toxins, and there's studies out there now. Check it out for yourself, where the beta glucans can help remove the forever chemicals in your body.
That's huge. All the plastic stuff. That's great.
Yes. Number 4 is avocados. Rich in soluble fiber and healthy fats that nourish good bacteria, maintaining a healthy weight, strengthen your gut lining, and protect you against harmful pathogens. So it's very fattening, but it is so delicious.
That's the thing. You got to be careful with avocado, because I can eat a whole bunch of avocado. It can't be the main dish.
No.
You got to have it where it's added to a dish.
Right. It's like a condiment.
Yeah. And one thing I'm saying in common, the food you selected, is fiber. Fiber is so powerful, and that's something that people always ignore and don't talk about that's out there. So that's awesome.
It's fiber rich. Yes.
Whole foods. That's what whole foods is, fiber.
That's
and
right.
nutrients.
Number 5 is raspberries, and they are packed with prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial microbes while producing short-chain fatty acids and heal the gut lining and boost your immunity.
I tell you where I love raspberries is on something we have like overnight oats. Throw on top of that, it's just so delicious, so sweet, and man, you have a few of those every day. I feel like if I miss them, I feel like I'm missing out.
It's part of your berries, right? You get your berries in. It's part of the G-bombs.
Love them.
Number 6 is kimchi. This Korean fermented food delivers a live probiotics that calm digestive troubles, and it populates good bacteria in your gut, and it strengthens your body's natural defenses.
Yeah, this is one that takes a little while to get used to, but once you kind of get the taste of it, it's really good. What really turned me on was when we do make like a mushroom burger, a portobello mushroom burger, and we put kimchi on. Oh man, it's just so delicious. And I got 2 birds with 1 stone, and I'm enjoying it.
Yes, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
Double it up, yeah. Or you could put it on the side of a salad. It's really good in a
That's
salad.
too. I like it too.
Yes, the crunch, the texture is really good.
Yeah.
Number 7 is dairy-free yogurt. Contains live beneficial bacteria that balance out your microbiome and crowd out the pathogens and enhances the immune function naturally.
Yeah. So remember I was talking about my little overnight oats? Well, I love to, when I'm talking about raspberries, put a little bit of the non-dairy yogurt on top. So now I got 3. I stack, baby. I stack.
That's how you do it. But just make sure and read the ingredient labels to make sure it has live cultures in it, because not all dairy-free yogurts have it. I did not know that until I happened to be reading the labels in the grocery store. And there was this one particular brand did not have an ounce of live cultures in it.
And that's exactly why you watch this, because you're going to learn from all of our lessons and learn the truth.
Yeah.
Ruth.
Number 8, green tea. Everybody knows green tea is a powerhouse, right? It provides the polyphenols that selectively feed the good, beneficial, good bacteria and inhibit harmful bacteria growth, and it strengthens both the gut and the body's health.
Yeah. One of my patients told me that I drink dirty water, and that's because I drink green tea at nighttime with my dinner. That's the only time I have the green tea without any kind of sugar. And when you're from the South, it's all about sweet tea, where you add water to the sugar itself, pretty much, and the tea. So yeah, but I love the green tea at nighttime with the dinner. I think it's the perfect way to do it when I drink water throughout the whole day.
Yeah, so you can have a salad with mushrooms in it, right, and kimchi, and have a glass of green tea to wash it all down with.
And then you have some raspberries, overnight oats. And
is your dessert.
Yep.
Well, I don't know about the oven, but you have your fruit.
Yeah, my fruit.
But yes, if you're still hungry, then obviously go for the overnight oats. Number 9, tempeh, which is a fermented soy that delivers probiotics plus prebiotics.
Oh,
2 in 1, right?
Okay.
Healing your gut from both directions while providing a complete plant protein.
Tempeh is really great because you can add to different kind of scrambles. Like we make a tofu scramble. When I was growing up as a kid, I loved BLTs, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. And now what we do, we make TLTs, tempeh, lettuce, tomato sandwiches, and it just almost brings back that same type of texture and flavor. It's great.
Yes, and you can even get fancy and smother it with a little bit of homemade barbecue sauce. Chef's
Yeah,
kiss.
that was delicious on a Blackstone.
Yum,
Oh
yum,
man,
yum, 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 yum. And number 10, we
the
have
big finale.
the big one, spinach, rich in fiber and nutrients that feed good bacteria and it reduces inflammation and provide building blocks for good repair.
Yeah, no, when it comes to spinach, it's just an overall great green vegetable. You can really make it savory, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, and you can just, it doesn't take a lot to get what you need.
No, you can put it in salads, you can put it in smoothies, which is a
Ooh.
really good one. You can put it in your scrambles, right, to get your greens in. So you can absolutely add all of these things into your diet every day.
Yeah, and that's exactly how you start to make this all work is you want to rotate these 10 foods throughout your week to fix your gut completely.
I agree. And all you just need is to start with 2 to 3 of these foods to put in your meal starting today.
Yeah, a little variety.
Pick the 2 or 3 that sounds good to you and incorporate it into your meals this week.
That's all you got to do. And then when you combine like the fermented foods with the probiotic foods and it has all the polyphenols, all the fiber. I mean, that's the biggest thing, fiber and all the nutrients and all these whole foods, you get synergistic, complete healing. Your
Yes.
body knows how to heal itself.
Yes, and you cut back on the why am I drawing a blank? You cut back on the processed foods and you increase these top 10 foods. You have a nice big salad with the chickpeas in it. And you have the spinach and you top it with the kimchi and your own homemade dressing and then maybe a bean burrito and a glass of green tea and you're golden for the day.
Yeah. And the thing is, this is not a diet.
No.
You don't have to diet whatsoever. All you got to do is just change the way you eat and eat less of the junk foods, eat more of the whole foods, and your joint pain will disappear. Your gut inflammation is going to resolve. And let me tell you, when it comes to your energy, it's going to skyrocket because you're going to be able to absorb all of the nutrients. It just becomes normal again to feel good because right now, how you're feeling, it's not normal. It's been normalized. And so you start to get the nutrients, all the autoimmune symptoms or chronic diseases, they start to fade because your gut, it's like that's the main thing that you need to take care of in order for your body to absorb and heal itself.
Yeah, and if your body's absorbing all these minerals and vitamins and the fiber is taking out the bad things from you, you're going to feel satiated and you're not going to want to eat junk and you're not going to feel as hungry quickly because you'll be satiated.
Yeah, totally.
Because you have all your body's getting the nutrients it need.
Mm-hmm.
Your skin clears up, which is a big one for a lot of us out here, and because it's clearing from the inside out. Does that make sense?
Yeah, completely. Inside out, yeah.
You're healing from the inside out, I should say, rather.
100% completely. You just become free again from all these digestive issues, the pain-free movements. You're going to have confidence in that, your body can heal. It's not broken. That's a big lie they could be telling you people.
Yeah, especially as we age, things slow down.
Or genetic. No, not at all. Now, well, I'm going on 50 this year, and I tell you, I'm not even halfway there with my life. I feel like I'm 30, and it's all because of the things we have learned that we're sharing in the podcasts.
Yeah, so these 10 foods actively rebuild your gut, and consistency creates a permanent healing.
Yeah, start with the 3 foods today. Just pick them out, and those 3 foods, put them in the comment below, and just say, hey, I'm committed to putting these 3 foods into my week's meal plan.
That's right. I can't wait to hear and see how you do. Subscribe for more natural healing protocols.
Yep, let's fix your gut.
Well, until next time, be well.
Take care.